Lapit ko nang maubos and it's so yummy, promise. For those na taga Zamboanga City, I know familiar kayo na very familiar kayo ng early bird. So hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog again. So for today, it's Thursday. So naka-work from home lang po ako. And then may gagawin akong mga output na dadalhin ko na naman sa office on Friday. So for today's video, mag-food review tayo. So nag-order ako through Food Panda ng the best shawarma in town mula sa Early Bird. For those na taga Zamboanga City, so kilala talaga nila yung Early Bird shawarma. So eto yun dito. You can order through them sa Food Panda app and makikita nyo naman doon kung how much. Itong nabili ko, it cost me 97 peso kasi ang in-order ko is yung grilled beef with egg shawarma. 97 peso yung sa Food Panda na presyo, pero sa kanila dito this is only yung grilled double beef with egg shawarma is 75, pero yung sa Food Panda kasi 97 peso plus yung delivery fee. But, you know, for your convenience naman po, you can use the Food Panda para hindi ka nalalabas at ikaw ang bibili. So, that is so much okay. Before tayo mag-start, don't forget to subscribe on my channel para updated kayo sa mga daily uploads ko, especially on my daily vlog. Maraming salamat and I hope you will enjoy this video. So, this will be my first food review. First ever food review ng shawarma ng Early Bird. And actually, hindi talaga ako kumakain ng shawarma, but I had tasted it last time. Masarap siya, especially pag yung mayo sauce. Ito yung gusto-gusto kong sauce. Yung shawarma po kasi is made up of yung parang dough talaga, dough, tapos grilled beef inside with potatoes, bell pepper, peanut, and other flavorings na nagko-complement siya pagkakainin mo as one. So, it is a heavy meal. Example, if you have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, pwede na rin siya dun sa mga nagda-diet kasi madami talaga siyang carbohydrates and protein. And of course, it is really good also for merienda. So for now, kakain na tayo. Let's taste kung ano ang lasa ng shawarma. Let's eat! So, ang gusto ko talaga yung mayo sauce nila. So, open ko lang siya. And then, I have to get this. Hindi ko alam kung eto ba yung correct na pagkain. So, i-open ko muna siya. So, nakita nyo may egg, may yung pritong itlog, may potato, may beef, and also grilled beef, may, I think, tomato, prito na potato, pritong egg, grilled beef, and yung white. Alam ko masarap tong white. So, I'll put this everything. This is from Early Bird sa Zamboanga. So, for those na taga Zamboanga, ganyan siya. Then, roll up again. Let's eat. Masarap. Malalasahan mo talaga yung beef na grilled. And of course, yung pritong egg and nag-complement yung mga tomato and radish. Yung puti pala radish, nag-complement sa the whole thing pagkakain. And then last factor pa yung sauce niya na mayo sauce. I think that's made up of ketchup and mayonnaise mixed together. Meron din silang garlic sauce but hindi ko kasi bet to, so mas bet ko yung mayo sauce nila. Ang sarap, promise. So for those na taga Zamboanga City, yung early bird shawarma kasi is matagal na, may branch din sa Puti, meron din sa Plaza del Pilar at saka yung Bento, so you can order through Food Panda. And of course, promise, masarap siya. As in. Yun guys ang laman. Pag i-rate ko siya from 1 to 5 lang, 5 being the highest of approved and satisfied customers. So I will rate it 5. Masarap siya and it's good. It's really good na pang-merienda for your friends and family. Pag nasa bahay nanonood ng Netflix, you can order this one and mag-shawarma. Then, especially paired with cold Coke soft drinks. Ang sarap. Yan siya ang laman guys. So yan po siya ang laman ng shawarma. Every bite nagko-complement talaga siya sa lasa. Lapit ko nang maubos and it's so yummy, promise. For those na taga Zamboanga City, I know familiar kayo na very familiar kayo na ng early bird. So, I know magta-thumbs up and mag-a-agree din kayo sa akin na masarap yung shawarma nila. So, for those na naka-experience at nakakain na sa early bird shawarma or nag-order na sa early bird ng shawarma, comment down below and like this video. Promise this, ang sarap. And sa mga nagda-diet, heavy meal talaga ito. Sa mga nanonood, if you haven't subscribed yet sa video ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button para updated kayo sa every upload ko ng bagong video.
Few moments later.
I'm done eating guys. So early bird shawarma is quite the best and it really tastes good sa panlasa ko. So if I rate it from 1 to 5, 5 being highest, 1 is being the lowest, I will rate them 5. So for those in Zamboanga City, you can call or you can visit the Facebook page of Early Bird Shawarma at mag-order na para makatikim din kayo. And I know nakatikim na most of especially sa offices and student favorite yung Early Bird Shawarma, diba? So maraming salamat sa panonood ng video ko, guys, and I hope you enjoy this episode food review. This is my first food review and I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel para updated kayo lagi sa bagong upload ko na video. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat!